Hello everyone, welcome to the next topic Essential Tools for Training Budget to Pro Setup. Now, this is where things start getting real because today we are setting up like a professional trainer. But let me start with something important. You don't need expensive tools to train your pet, you need the right tools and to use them correctly. Even a rupees 100 or $10 tool used properly can outperform a $1,000 setup. Let me ask you, do you think great trainers succeed because of tools or because of technique? Exactly. Technique comes first. But tools make your life easier, faster, and clearer for your pet. Let's break this into three levels. First one, a budget setup, which is also a beginner friendly setup. If you are just starting this, is your more than enough. Few must have tools are treats, which is your number one weapon, basic leash or harness, and a simple clicker. Here's a great example. A clicker creates a consistent sound signal which helps your pet learn faster through clear communication. What this setup allows you to do is teach basic commands, start behavior correction, build strong learning habits, and honestly, this is where 90% of results come from. Next is intermediate setup, which is a slightly serious training mode. Now imagine this. Your pet understands basics, but you want faster progress. This is where you upgrade slightly. Add these things like a target stick for precision training, a better quality clicker, a few training toys for motivation, and scratching posts for cats. For example, target sticks help guide your pet's movement without force, making training smoother and more controlled. What this unlocks? This unlocks advanced commands, better focus, and faster learning cycles. Moving forward, let's learn about the pro setup or advanced trainer level. Now we are talking next level. This is for serious pet owners, future trainers, or content creators or professionals. Advanced tools include remote reward trainers, agility kits, professional clickers, and structured training systems. For example, these tools allow you to train your pet even from a distance, which is incredibly powerful for real world behavior. What this enables is off leash control, complex behavior shaping, professional level result, and one important truth which most courses won't tell you is tools don't train your pet. You train your pet. Tools only improve timing, improve clarity, improve consistency. Even professional trainers rely heavily on simple tools like clickers and rewards because they align perfectly with how pets learn through reinforcement. A quick activity for you. Look at what you currently have. Ask yourself, do I have at least a reward, maybe few treats, a signal like a clicker or voice, or a way to guide, which is a leash or hand? If yes, you are ready to start. And here's a mindset shift I want you to remember. It's not about having more tools, it's about mastering a few tools really well. In the next lecture, we'll set up your home training environment so your pet learns faster with fewer distractions. Now grab your tools, maybe test that clicker once, and I'll see you in the next lecture.